Hi, this is Priyanka, a cabin crew aspirant, and I hope you are all preparing well for upcoming interviews. Today, I'm going to discuss about 10 more important interview questions as a part 3. And if you have not watched part 1 and part 2 of this series, check out of these videos because these videos are really helpful. The questions and answers that is going to be discussed right now are frequently asked in group discussion round and in communication round, especially in the airlines like Indigo. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you're thinking about to go for an interview, especially in Indigo Airline. So let's get started. So let's start from the first question. Why do you think that you are a good fit for this role? I believe my strong communication skills and my passion for customer service makes me a great fit for this role. Along with that, I also possess excellent problem solving abilities which are crucial in ensuring the passenger safety on board. And I'm excited about the opportunity to represent your airline and contribute to its success. And I believe that my skills and my education would be a valuable asset to your team. So that is why I think I am a good fit for this role. देखो इंटरव्यूज में बहुत सारे लड़कियां आते हैं, ठीक है, तो तुमको एक्सप्रेस करना होगा. तुम जब तक एक्सप्रेस नहीं करोगे ना तो वो एचआर वाले समझेंगे नहीं कि तुम हाँ एक कैबिन क्रू बनना चाहते हो, तुम्हारे अंदर एक जज्बात है कैबिन क्रू बनने के लिए, तो तुमको एक्सप्रेस करना पड़ेगा जितना हो सके. ओके, move to the next question. Tell me about your good habits. So my good habits include keeping my surroundings clean and tidy, as I believe that a tidy environment helps me to stay calm and focused. देखो ये सबके लिए चलता है, tidy environment सबको हेल्प करता है, ठीक है, काम करने में. तो कैबिन में जो काम करते हैं कैबिन क्रू, तो वे क्लीनिनेस मेंटेन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, तो ये बोल सकते हो आप. And I always pay attention to my overall appearance so that I look presentable before going out, and I always make it a point to reach early at least 5 minutes. And be honest, I always carry a water bottle and a pen in my bag because I have experienced few unexpected situations the importance of keeping a water bottle and a pen. ये point मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि एचआर वाले को पता चलेगा क्योंकि तुम एक प्रिपेयर्ड इंसान हो. कभी भी कहीं भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो इसलिए तुम वाटर बॉटल तुम खुद के लिए भी कैरी करते हो, और एक पेन भी. पेन क्या ही वेट है एक पेन कैरी करने में, लेकिन तुम करते हो ना, दूसरे से अलग तो हो ना, ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज योर बैड हैबिट्स. Sometimes I become little too responsible even when I am not specifically asked. I tend to take responsibility when I feel the need to help solve a problem or support others if something needs to be done. And sometimes I feel that I can complete the task a little faster or more efficiently. So I naturally step in to help. While this can sometimes add extra work for me and creates a bit of pressure, but I'm learning to prioritize my task better. देखो ये वाला आंसर क्यों अच्छा होगा, तुम अगर दिल से अच्छा हो ना तो ये वाला आंसर तुम्हारे लिए एकदम परफेक्ट है. अब देखो अगर मेरे सामने कोई ऐसे होता है ना कि उसे ये वाला काम नहीं हो रहा है, मैं ऐसे ही ले लेती हूँ पेपर, दे भाई मुझे दे, मैं सॉल्व कर देती हूँ तेरी प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं मैं कर देती हूँ. Let's suppose one of your friends invited you to come over and have lunch, and when you reached there you saw that your friend is cooking inside the kitchen. So तुम क्या करोगे, उसको तो हेल्प ही करोगे ना. अगर तुम एक नए कुर्ती पहन के आई हो और नई टॉप पहन के आई हो तो इसका मतलब तो नहीं है कि नहीं इस वजह से मैं हेल्प नहीं करूँगी. तो अगर तुम करते हो तो ये वाला परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है तुमको बोलने के लिए तुम्हारा बैड हैबिट्स क्या है, ठीक है. So the third question is what brings you here. ये वाला एक क्वेश्चन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. What brings me here is my strong passion for customer service and aviation industry. Since childhood, I have been fascinated by the aviation industry, and I genuinely enjoy interacting with people and find happiness in serving others. and making them feel comfortable. When I see someone is happy is because of my effort, it gives me a sense of satisfaction. रील में ऐसे देखते हो ना कि एक बंदा आता है और एक स्ट्रेंजर के साथ ऐसे जैसे करता है, फिर हाथ के अंदर कुछ डाल देता है और फिर जो मुट्ठी खुल के देखते हैं तो एक चॉकलेट है, तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है. बस वही वाला इमोशन एक्सप्रेस करना है, ठीक है. तुमको तुम्हारा पॉजिटिविटी दिखाना है बस, और कुछ नहीं. And I also admire the role of a cabin crew. It's not about the customer service, it's also about the responsibility. They ensure the passenger's safety and handle any medical or any unexpected situation during the flight while also staying calm and composed. In many ways, they act as a problem solvers, caregivers, and leaders during the flight. And I strongly connect with this role because I naturally love helping people. So this is what truly brings me here. So the next question is, tell me something about your friends. So I have a small but close group of friends, and one of them is a gamer. He plays Counter-Strike and he also works in account posting. And another one lives near my home. She works in a real estate company and she often visits to Delhi for her office work, and sometimes she comes back to Kolkata and continues her office. And I also have few college friends who are very close to my heart. They are very genuine and funny people, and we usually meet during festivals, especially when someone comes everyone to offers. And I also have few school friends, and we are all connected through social media, so I share a good bond with my school friends, my college friends, and few other friends who lives near my home. The next question is, what are the skills you have? So here I would like to highlight few key skills. Firstly, I have a strong teamwork and coordination skills. During my college days, I worked on different practical experience and in group activities where we shared our responsibilities, communicated clearly, and collaborated effectively. So those experience have helped me to build a strong teamwork and collaboration skills. Secondly, I have a good communication skills and empathy. As I work as a private tuition tutor, so I regularly interact with different students and their parents. So through this experience, I learned that every student is different. So understanding their mindset, I adapt my teaching style accordingly. And it's a skill that I have acquired over the past 7 years of experience. So this skill helps me to connect well with people and understand them better. Additionally, over the past 2 years, both of my parents underwent major surgeries. And during that time, I managed all the household chores, including cooking, and alongside my studies and graphic designing work, my tuitions. So it was a quite difficult time. However, this experience taught me how to stay calm, composed, and responsible. Overall, I consider myself as an adaptable, punctual, good at time management, and proactive person. And I would like to add one more skill that I have. I know swimming, I believe that it's a important skill for aviation industry. The next question is, what is your favorite destination? My favorite destination is Ladakh Airport, and the main reasons I like it because of its breathtaking natural beauty, and being surrounded by the mountains makes it even more special, unique, and scenic place. And it is also known as one of the highest airport in the world. Apart from that, I really admired the skill and the precision required for the flight operating there due to challenging weather and terrain, and it reflects the true essence of aviation. For me, it's not just a destination, it's a place that represents the beauty and the professionalism in the aviation industry. So the next question is, what do you do in your free time? Okay, this is the second last question. In my free time, especially when I feel mentally drained and don't want to do anything that requires too much focus, so in that situation, I would like to organize my study table, clean my laptop, sharpen my pencils, and organize my notes, copies. And it helps me to relax and calm my mind, and when I get back to study, I feel more productive. So that is why I do when I feel mentally drained or overwhelmed. And the last question, for which I was eagerly waiting, how did you prepare yourself for this role? On 23rd November, I appeared for the first time in the interview and I got rejected in the group discussion round because of lack of communication skills and confidence. And at that time, I realized that I could not articulate my thoughts clearly to someone. When it comes to speak in front of someone, I slowly become underconfident and can't even find a better word to speak right at that time. After that, I decided to work on my communication skills. I started reading storybooks every day. Even I joined a communication session, which I continued 3 months, and it helped me a lot. And where I practice speaking daily. Along with that, I also worked on my physical health. I reduced my body weight from 61 kg to 55 kg by exercising every day to bringing myself in the healthy BMI range. And to build confidence, the first step I took is the recording myself while speaking, because it's quite difficult. You are turn on that camera and you are speaking the answer you have memorized in your minds, and definitely will become puzzled in front of camera, because when you watch yourself in the camera, so you can't even recognize the words that you have memorized. So it's quite difficult and it builds confidence. I also developed a discipline routine where I try to wake up early every day. Overall, this journey has been a transformational for me, because it not only prepared me for this role, but I also got to understand about what is my strength, my weakness, my likes and dislikes, and I truly feel confident, self-aware, and ready to take that opportunity. So tata, bye bye. So this is for the day. I discussed 10 more questions as a part 3, and I really hope that you understood my point of views, and how do you feel about these answers? Let me know in the comment section. I'm eagerly waiting for these comments, and if you truly like this video, so like, comment and share with your friend who are thinking to become a cabin crew, future cabin crew. So that's it. Tata bye bye for the day. Let's meet on the next video.